I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time. The key is precision, not greed. I don't chase, I react. If moment aligns, I strike, then vanish. The less you expect, the cleaner your decisions. That's the mindset of the scalper.
Here we will open a trade for a decrease. We will draw a trend line here. Let's highlight the working area, our trend line. We have a good point of contact. Here there was also touch of the upper moving average. The wick touches it and we also have an exit from the overbought zone. According to the ADX, we can say that the trend has a medium level of direction, since the ADX moving averages does not go above the 28 level. This tells us that the trend has a fairly stable downward character. There are 15 seconds left until the trade closes. Let's observe the result of our second trade.
Want to earn over $1,000 a week in trading? I teach my community for free, real strategies, real results, and daily high accuracy signals. Join my Sawyer Community now and see how it's done.
The trade also closes in profit.
Block 4. I end each day by reviewing reactions, not just results. Did I move too early or too late? That question shapes tomorrow's accuracy, because mastery isn't winning, it's understanding why. Precision is endless practice. Block 2. I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you are already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible.
We're opening a buy trade here. Great touch point. Let's mark the area. We can draw a trend line and there is a clean touch on the lower channel band. After the pullback, we are buying with the trend. The CCI just left the oversold zone and the ADX shows moderate strength, so this pullback is perfectly normal. And the uptrend should keep going. Last few seconds. And once again, the trade closes in profit.
Block 1. The market loves to repeat itself. Same pressure, same traps, same breakouts. Different days. When you've seen 100 impulses, the next one feels familiar. That recognition speeds up your decision making. Experience replaces analysis. Stop guessing in trading, start learning. In my Telegram I give free lessons, strategy breakdowns, and 80% win rate signals every day. Join the Sawyer community, let's grow together.